and welcome to Top of the World. Does it look like the Arctic outside behind me? Yep. Why is that? Well, because we are on top of the world, and it is. And the snow is down. Am I prepared? Yeah. I'm 97% ready. Was 97% ready. More ready than I've ever been any other year. And the reason for that being is it's down late. You know, we should have had this weeks ago. Anyway, is it going to stay? Possibly not. So the jet stream is doing some really weird things, and it's pushed the polar vortex over the top of the world. So every year, right outside the door, on the way to the snowplow shed and various other small places, I always have to shovel the snow by hand. And that can amount to so many tonnes over the course of the year. Well, I was given this year. What is this? Well, it's a small home snowblower made by Stigger, right, which is just the worst, nastiest Italian-made garden equipment company. It makes snowblowers and lawnmowers and stuff like this, all yellow, all called Stigger. It's horrible stuff. It's just the nastiest stuff. However, there's a lot of it about, and like I say, I was given this, so yeah, it's not the best thing. Is it better than shoveling by hand? Well, I'm hoping, the theory is, I can aim this towards the main part of the yard and blow out of the way of the doors without all the back-breaking shoveling that I have to do. My back has to do enough without that. And this year I've got to do something different because of the situation around the globe. Can I run my snowplow whenever I want, like I have done in every other year? No. I'll tell you why. And this applies for a lot of things. Diesel prices. Now, I've seen the numerous complaints, riots and uproars in the US about diesel prices. You have no idea. You have no clue. Is it more expensive than you've seen before? Yes. Are you struggling to afford it? Yes. Is it in any way comparable to any other part of the world? No. No, 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 no. So diesel prices here are more than double what they were just a few years ago. More than double what they were just a few years ago. And when I do my snow ploughing, my prices for snow ploughing, they've been the same since 2017. And since 2017, like I've just said, the diesel is now double the price. Have I had to put my prices up considerably? Yes. Can people afford it? No, they can't. And it's as simple as that. It's expensive. It's expensive to think about starting it. And the thing about normal use when we use it in the summer is it's not under any strain. Snow ploughing it just puts the vehicles under so much because they're constantly working. The chains have to dig into the ice. You have to push tons and tons of snow. It takes more diesel. It puts more strain on it. Anyway, so normally what I do is I clear the entire yard, and those that have been around for a long time see how much snow that I have to push around. Well, I'm going to strip this down, give it a quick service, see if I can get it up and running. It has been notoriously unreliable, this thing. And you have to push it by hand. And my friend, she just can't, well, Thomas, he can't come outside at all. And his wife can't push this around, and they've got a driven one now, albeit it's a bit heavier than this one, but it is driven. Let me show you around it. Is that still there? Yep. Did I put out a video on Wednesday? No. There's a reason for that. Right, so horrible little plastic wheels. I wish I had some more wheels to replace those. Anyway, there we go. Just another small engine. Should be quite an easy little job. Just to get this going and leave it outside, just to take the snow away from where I am. I'm not, like I say, I'm not intending to clear even here as much as I have done in the past. There's going to be areas where I just don't plough and don't dig. And this little cheap engine here running on gasoline should save me starting up the old girl. Right, well, we dig into this now. I think it was 2016. Yeah, where are we? 9th, 8th, 9th, 10th of November 2016. It was already over a metre down, so it's like last year. Snowfall last year was quite, mind you, last year we had some really extreme temperatures. Anyway, that's not what we're doing. We're not talking about the winter, because that's out there. He gets excited as I do about the snow coming. He's just been absolutely looning it. Right. And with these small engines in this region, well, I suppose it's not just in this region, but I can tell you that the gas is so bad in here. It's yellow, it's varnished, smells terrible. So, always a good place to start, especially with the small engines. The fast jet's going to be blocked. We'll just give it a quick strip down, clean it up with some brake cleaner, some carb cleaner. Clean out all the jets, put it back together. But what happens is every year these things get put away. Of course, they're only used for half the year. Lawnmowers can only be used for 5 months here. These can only be used for 6 months here. They get put away with bad gas. In addition to that, as we all know, the gas today is not like it should be, and it just makes a mess of everything. So, clean the carburetor. Give the carburetor a good service. Clean or change the spark plug. Change and or check the oil. Should run. I'm pretty sure this is, I mean, it's unreliable. It's always been unreliable, but I'm pretty sure this is where our issue is, right here. reckon that's more hard work, I do. I reckon that's more hard work than I normally do it. How do I normally do it? When I have this. And I'll do it like that. Or and you still can't really get in here with that machine. And then I have this. I can't help feeling I've wasted the morning on that. I'm not clearing the yard because it's supposed to blow warm, and really there's not enough snow down to warrant clearing it. I want to run the tractor as little as possible, but there you go. The sun's not above the horizon, but what a beautiful day. Lovely day. It's not that cold. It's cold, but it's not that cold. So that's what fell last night. Anyway, he's happy. He's never happier than when it's snowing. So we just pushed that up there for now, and like I say, I haven't done anything else because I'm not finished. And in any case, weather forecast says it's going to blow warm for the next 2 days, so all this will be gone again. And the biggest problem with using the tractor with the bucket the other way around and the snowplow is the ground's not frozen, and the snow thrower, the ground's not frozen. It needs to freeze before the snow comes down, otherwise we have a load of trouble. Well, that's his favourite time of year. It's all that work I did on that snow thrower. Waste of time. Anyway, there you go. That's all I'm doing because it's supposed to blow warm tomorrow, so chances are this lot will be gone. Never know. That's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.